Imagine making $10,000 in just 1 month using a simple Bitcoin strategy that anyone, yes, even you can follow. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around and I'll show you exactly how I did it and how you can too. Don't worry, no complicated jargon here, just straightforward steps you can take today. Let's dive in. Before we get to the juicy details, let me be clear. Bitcoin is volatile. You can make a lot of money, but you can also lose it. This strategy isn't a magic trick. It's about consistency, patience, and a bit of courage. But if I can do it, so can you. Let's start with the basics. My strategy is called dollar cost averaging with a twist. Here's how it works. Instead of trying to predict when Bitcoin will go up or down, which, let's face it, nobody can do consistently, I bought Bitcoin at regular intervals, no matter the price. That's the dollar cost averaging part. Sounds simple, right? But here's the twist. I added a little spice to this strategy by leveraging key market signals to maximize my gains. Don't worry, I'll explain it step by step. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is one of the safest ways to invest in Bitcoin. Instead of dumping all your money in at once, you spread it out. For example, I invested $100 every Monday for a month. This ensures that I get an average price over time, reducing the risk of buying at a peak. Consistency is key here. No matter what the news says or what the market is doing, stick to your schedule. Now, here's where the twist comes in. I used a free tool called the RSI, or Relative Strength Index, which shows whether Bitcoin is overbought or oversold. When the RSI dips below 30, it's often a sign the price is oversold and might bounce back soon. That's when I doubled my usual investment. Think of it as buying Bitcoin on sale. Who doesn't love a good sale? Next, I set clear and realistic goals. My target was a 20% profit on each batch of Bitcoin I bought. Once the price hit that level, I sold a portion of my holdings to lock in the gains. It's important not to get greedy. Remember, the market can turn against you fast. Stick to your plan. While Bitcoin was my main focus, I didn't put all my eggs in one basket. I allocated 80% to Bitcoin and the rest to top altcoins like Ethereum. This gave me exposure to other potential growth opportunities without taking on too much extra risk. Diversification isn't just a buzzword, it's your safety net in the crypto world. To protect my investments, I used stop-loss orders. These are automatic sell orders that trigger if Bitcoin's price drops below a certain level. Think of it as a safety switch for your money. Crypto can be unpredictable, but with a stop-loss, you're always one step ahead. By sticking to this strategy, I managed to turn a $5,000 investment into $10,000 in just 1 month. The combination of DCA, market signals, and smart risk management made it possible. Now, does this mean you'll make the exact same returns? Not necessarily, but what it does mean is that you have a roadmap to follow and tweak based on your own goals. If there's one thing this journey taught me, it's the value of patience and discipline. Bitcoin rewards those who stay consistent and don't panic at every dip. So whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to improve your strategy, remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Now it's your turn. Are you ready to give this strategy a try? Let me know in the comments if you're already investing in Bitcoin or if you're just starting out. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.